Hands-on, all the time. That's what we do. No experience is needed. They come in and I teach them everything. I teach them how to use these tools. I teach them how to think systematically. I teach them how to measure something. All of those things they learn in the class. The goal of this program is to first introduce all of my students to the different sectors within engineering, and then from there they find out what they love to do, and then we create many projects in all the different sectors, and then they do internship and actually work in that field.
Throughout middle school, I'd been kind of interested in the whole engineering aspect of school. Seeing that Arcadia offered an actual engineering and design course, I'm like, absolutely, I gotta go take that class. We do a whole bunch of stuff, like we do a bunch of civil engineering, we do mechanical engineering. We do even smaller stuff like carpentry and like woodworking.
We have biomedical and we create prosthetics. We have architectural engineering and we create dream homes and survival shelters. We have aerospace and we create rockets and also drones. Like we literally build them from scratch and program them. We create dragsters out of wood and then we race them. As you get into engineering 2 and 3, I try to combine the sectors so that we're not just doing just electrical engineering, we're doing electrical and biomedical and civil all in one project.
Applying to these good engineering schools, it's definitely given me a boost on my application, but it's also showing them that I have the knowledge to be able to be a contributive and a capable student at their institutions that continues into professional fields. If you are even slightly interested in any sort of technical field, I would absolutely recommend this class.